Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install free trial of Madden NFL 26 on Xbox console. So here follow these steps. Please take a note that you must have Game Pass subscription to get the free trial of Madden NFL 26 with EA Play. So the first step is to, on your Xbox console from home screen, click on browse the store and search for Madden NFL 26 and select it. Step 2. Now click on free trial with EA Play button. You will see the free trial with EA Play button. So click on that. In step 3, you will see install all button. So click on it. Step 4, and then you will see installing view in queue button. So click on it and you will see the game is downloading. So by this way you can download or install free trial with EA Play of Madden NFL on Xbox console. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.